Let's get you all set up with the mutesync application for Windows. So go to mutesync.com and head over to the free virtual button. Add your email address and we'll send you to the download page. Pick the app you need. In this case, it is Windows. And we'll download the app. Click to run it. And you're going to get this slightly scary warning saying Microsoft Defender Smart Screen prevented an unrecognized app. But this is our app. Torwicker Industries is just the last name of the two founders of mutesync. So just click run anyway, and the app will go ahead and ask you a few questions. So install for all users or just you. Pick the location to install. And then in just a few seconds, the mutesync app will install. I usually keep it set to run mutesync, so when you hit finish, the app will actually launch in the bottom right system tray where the mutesync icon lives. So you can see it's now there, and let me hop into a Google Meet meeting. So I'm muted in a Google Meet meeting. You can see the icon in the lower left is yellow, but if I toggle my mute status, the icon in the bottom right turns to red. So I know if I'm muted or not as I toggle. Or I could actually toggle the icon in the system tray, and you can see the status of this Google Meet updating, which is very nice. It's even better if I go to another tab and then someone calls my name, and I could just toggle my mute status from here without finding that Google Meet tab. Now I know this was for Google Meet, but we also have support for Teams, for Zoom, for other platforms. So go ahead, install the app, and we'll get you all set up. Thanks for watching the tutorial.